At so yun guys, andito na kami sa next day. Third destination. For GQ Island. Happy birthday, Kulas. Kulas, you want on YouTube, right? Say something on YouTube.
Happy
It's your
birthday to me.
birthday.
Sabi
Happy
mo
birthday
bilis.
to me.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday. How old are you?
7 years old.
7. Happy 7 years old, Kulas. Garrett Coleman. You know, vlogger. Boss Ken. Sir Ken.
Ano pa? Wala pa to?
Wala pa to entrance dun pa.
Please be aware that in times specific tickets become sold out. We will not accept any further users.
Ito guys, andito na kami sa GQ Island. Sasakay kami nila Ken tsaka ni CJ sa King Coaster. Ayan guys, King Coaster.
Sana all.
Yan guys, ready na ba kayong sumakay? Okay. Ready ka na ba? Ready na. Yes. What's that, horse? Ride.
Wala si Daddy. Daddy! Nickel!
Happy?
Happy.
Lagi, tara na ko sir. Ano? Live!
Yan guys, inabot na kami ng gabi sa Fuji. Lahat ng Fuji pinunta namin.
Hindi yama.
Fuji Pagoda. Pagoda, tsaka Oshino Hakyu.
Ano kaya title ng vlog mo? Fuji yan eh.
Kaya dito na namin tatapusin ang vlog. Nilalamig na kami, uwi na kami guys. Hatid ko na, kakain lang kami tapos hatid na sila sa Mishima Eki para papunta sila ng Tokyo. So hanggang dito na lang. Bye bye.